Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application. So let's take this video for example. So if you want to download this video on TikTok without watermark, what you need to do is to click on this share button right here. You can see this arrow button, tap on it. So when you click on it, you will see these kind of options. So you have to tap on this WhatsApp and now you can send this to your on, and as you can see this is the link. So I can copy this link now. So once the links is copied, just minimize the TikTok application and now open up your any browser. I'm going for Google Chrome here, and then in the search bar I am going to type in Snaptik. Just tap on this first option and now as you can see paste TikTok link here. So just paste your TikTok link here and now you just have to tap on this download. And now as you can see this window will appear if you scroll down. So now as you can see there is an option to download video. Just tap on this download video. It will going to save in your gallery without any watermark. If I tap on this open, it is playing in my gallery without any watermark. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.